I host half of the world's biodiversity hotspots and 30% of the key biodiversity areas. I am the origin of the 20 plant species that supply 80% of this world's food. The maize, the potato, barley, sorghum, tomatoes, and apples that you cherish have all originated and diversified in me. I am the 27% of this Earth's land surface and also present in all continents. I provide you all with around 60 to 80% of the fresh water on which half of the humanity relies for everyday life. I am home of 1/3 of all plant species and also to 1.1 billion people, around 15% of the world's population. 85% of the world's species of amphibia, birds, mammals, they live in me. And I am home of 1/4 of all terrestrial species. Think of a renewable energy resource, the solar, the wind, and hydro, and you think about me. Your coffee, honey, herbs, spices, cosmetics, and medicines are also from me. I am given as an example of determination and courage, and I attract around 20% of the tourists towards my sceneries. Yes, I am a mountain. This International Mountain Day with the theme Protect the Mountain Biodiversity. Protect me from the climate change, unsustainable farming, commercial mining, poaching, land use, land cover change, overexploitation, pollution, invasive species, and much more. Remember, we matter. Yes, mountains matter.